Okay, so tonight Devi is going to be cooking udon with chicken. So these are the ingredients right here. We have spinach, sliced onion, sliced carrots, sliced mushrooms, sliced turkey bacon, and of course this is the udon. And for some of the seasonings that she's going to use, liquid smoke, the smokehouse maple, we have pepper, and we have pink Himalayan salt. This salt is a little bit, I think it's a little bit better than table salt. And for the chicken, which is already made, ready to go, what she used is a little bit of milk, oyster sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, then onion powder. Mix in with the chicken. We have our homemade flour. Well, this is not really homemade, but it's flour with rice flour. And we have the garlic and onion powder too to go with it, and the Himalayan salt. All right, let's get cooking. Saya lupa. Garlic. And she's using avocado oil and adding some butter to it too. Sweet cream salted butter.
Nice haircut.
Oh, thank you.
And
nice
shirt. Oh.
Goreng turkey baconnya. Lanjutin masukin jamur, tumis dulu. Kalau udah ada agak layu jamurnya, masukin bawang bombay berbarengan dengan gacit bawang putih. Ini kita pakai 1 sendok teh, kira-kira 2 siung bawang putih atau 3 ya, tergantung misalnya. Oke, semuanya udah agak layu, masukin wortel. Ini udon enak banget. My husband Charles like this. Dia suka sama ini.
Yes.
Udah kayak gini, kita masukin smoke buat aroma. Seasoning yang baunya bau panggang. Terus kita kasih air. Jangan lupa salt. And pepper, of course. Udah kayak gini, kita beri air.
When do we add the liquid smoke?
The liquid later.
Oh, later. Okay.
Ini namanya udon cemek, rasa barbecue up to me. Kalau bahasa Sundanya udon cemek kumaha aing teh. Biarin nanti sampai mendidih, nanti kita rasa kurang-kurangnya apa. Baru kita masukkan sedikit tepung beras, dikasih air supaya agak kental. Lalu kalau udah mendidih kayak gini, kita jangan lupa siapin tepung beras dicampur sama air. Sebelumnya kita coba dulu. Enak deh. Bagus. Ada yang kurang. Saya suka menambahkan kaldu ayam. Jadi kita pakai kaldu ayam sedikit aja. Kita masukkan. Enak nih, Dek. Supaya rasa smoke-nya lebih kuat, jadi saya tambahin smoke liquid. Udon cemek ala aing teh. Jadi terserah gue aja. Yang penting suami suka buat dinner. This is good. Sudah agak kental belum? Kalau masih kurang kental, kita tambahkan lagi. Saya memakai sendok yang berbeda untuk mencoba. Kita tambah lagi 1 sendok teh. Baunya enak. Very good smell, baby.
Good.
Kalau ada yang kurang asin, tinggal ditambahin garam lagi. Cuman yang ini udah rasanya udah oke, udah pas. Kita langsung masukin udonnya. Biarin sampai agak-agak kuahnya menyusut, biar nanti masih agak-agak cemek gitu. Kalau udah menyusut, baru kita masukin terakhir bayam. Saya biasanya suka nambahin sedikit butter supaya rasanya lebih mantap. Kita tunggu sampai dia agak menyusut ya, biar udongnya bumbunya juga meresap ke dalam udong. Ini buatnya gampang, enak, sehat lagi. Sayuran kan. Udah agak menyusut kuahnya, kita siap-siap masukin bayam. Tuh kan, ini enak banget nih guys.
Spinach cooks fast.
Yes. Udon udah hampir mateng, kita nanti pindah ke bikin ayam crispy. Nyam.
Yay! Finished.
Hey, we finish with this. Hai, udongnya. Ulangin. Udongnya udah mateng. Jadi diemin dulu. Kita mau pindah ke ayam. Ini ayamnya udah dipotong-potong dan dimarinasi. Tadi saya biarin kira-kira 1 jaman. Sekarang kita mau kasih tepung. Mau kita tepungin supaya dia crispy. Saya kasih terigu campur tepung beras, campur onion powder dengan garlic powder juga di sini dengan garam. Kita mau tepungin dulu, terus kita goreng.
Medium high aja kompornya.
Last night I make this for you and you like it.
Yes, it was very tasty.
This is enough for us?
Yeah, it should be.
Okay. Smells good.
Yes, it does.
Jakarta ada bumbu serbaguna, tepung bumbu serbaguna, tinggal beli. But I cannot find in here, so I mix the flour by myself. Jadi aku campurin semua yang ini adalah campuran-campuran biar jadi kayak yang ada di Jakarta.
Throw all the chicken in the little strainer there. Let them cool off. Udon looks good. Chicken is over here, cooling off.
Ooh, cemek. This is really, really, really nice. You want the spinach, Devi?
Sure.
Ooh. This is for you, baby.
Yay.
Ya lapar. Saya juga mau makan.
And you're gonna eat all the rest.
No.
No, you can eat all that.
No. Maybe for tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
I want to be slim, honey.
Already
Long time
said.
not do yoga. Do you recognize my sleeping dress?
Yes.
It's the actor has this kind of what you call this kind of
Pattern?
pattern. Tom Cruise from Mission Impossible movie.
Yeah, we're gonna find that picture.
You want some again?
Sure, I'll take a little bit more.
Ooh.
That should be plenty of chicken. Okay, so this is the udon. Oh. I got some chicken in there too. And some turkey bacon. It's good.
Thank you.
Yeah. I like all of your cooking.
Aww. Thank you, honey.
Chicken's really good too. It's better than... Chicken tastes better than what it did yesterday.
Oh, and then last night is because we marinate longer.
Okay. That's probably why. Well, I'm going to finish this and it's time for you to eat. Okay?
Okay.
Join us next time so we can make another video for Tante de America Baru.